Hello my friends, Runar again. I have dressed up for the occasion. I thought this soft gun required some camo clothing, green t-shirt and a camo cap. What I have here today is Umarex HK Heckler und Koch. I'm not sure if I butchered that, but MP5K. Airsoft gun. I know they make this in airgun version too, but this is the airsoft version. Energy 2 joule max. We will test it. It has blowback, CO2 powered, 30 round magazine, metal parts inside, metal barrel, semi-auto. That means you have to pull the trigger every single time. You cannot convert it. So, this is how it looks. Quite heavy magazine. Pull down the magazine follower and it will lock in the bottom. Push this piece down. When you're going to load it, you need to load it from the top. I'm not test fired it or anything, I just picked it up. I traded away the Crossman Stronghold P7 crappy paintball pistol type for this. So hope it is worth it. User manual. I think I know how it works. So and I've seen some videos of it too. I will read this one later. Comes with a rail and a small plastic bag with 4 screws and an Allen key. That is for attaching the rail. I'm not going to put any optics or anything on it, so I think I will just put it back in the box. And that was about it. The sights, they look like they can be adjusted, and from what I'm told, if you remove that screw there that holds the rear sight, you can open it, loosen a screw and then switch it around until you fit, you have the hole that you like, and then put it back together. That's how you change it. No stock on this version. You can put a sling here if you want to, hook it on there, and in the front there. It has a blowback, but the blowback doesn't do anything, but it is visible when you're shooting. It should be. You can remove the muzzle brake. I'm not going to do so. Ambidextrous safety. You only have 2 settings, safe and fire. And in the bottom here you have the magazine release. To put in the CO2 canister, you push out the top pin. There are 2 pins in the rear. You only need to push out the top one, and then you can tilt it down from what I'm told. If that is true, I don't know. No. Looks like you have to push out both of them. I have shitty arthritic fingers, so I need tools. Where the heck is that pin? There. Looks like so. This is the outside with the twist knob thing. This is the inside. So looks like so. CO2 canister goes in top. As always, I use Umarex brand CO2 canister. Take some silicone oil on the tip. Place it in with the tip first. And then we put this piece back. I might have to screw this thing further in or not. No? Like so. I will tighten the CO2 knob using some pliers. I will wait to do so until I'm ready to shoot. Now let's look at the magazine. Pull down the magazine forward. There it clicked. I will load up a few of the Umarex 0.49 gram and some steel BBs first, just to see what sort of maximum energy it gives, and then we can try some 0.2 gram shooting at a pop can or something. So, one moment. Temperature is about 21 degrees Celsius. 69 degrees Fahrenheit, I think. Well, it turns out the steel BBs are too large. Let's try the Airsoft BBs. These are the Umarex BB. Let's see if they work. Sure did. 363, and that is with a 0.49 gram. So quite good power for a airsoft gun. Same 363. Very stable. 362. No point in measuring the 0.2 gram. They will shoot way faster. With this one, I can try my Mad Bull Crony and see if it works. So, one moment. Okay, let's see if this works. 0.2 gram. 498. Wow, that's hard hitting. 480. 459. 459 again. Let's take one more. 453. So very good power from this stock airsoft gun. I put up a tin can there. Let's see if it makes some holes in it. First two shots are with the Umarex. Hole there and a crack in the back. Two holes in the can. What about will the 0.2 gram make hole? Sure did. last one just dented it or cracked it can. Yeah. I put up a empty beer can. Let's see if I can hit it. I hope. At 6 meters distance it seems to be shooting high. And the can fell down, so let me... No, it did not shoot too high. It shot exactly where I aimed, or shot exactly where I aimed. It's just that the can didn't react on the first shot, because the BB just zipped through it. You can see the slight... Let me see if I can zoom in a bit. It makes a heck of a crack. And we're out of ammo. You cannot pull the trigger when they're out of ammo. It locks the mechanism. And now from a different angle, since it's a machine gun meant to be shot from the hip, let me try some shots, hip shooting. Range to the can now is about 3.5 meters. Let's see if I can hit it. Sure can. And it's empty again. Very fun. I can highly recommend it. My new toy. By the way, only the first shot, when I shot from the hip, was a miss. I shot a bit low and to the right. All the next 29 BBs hammered the can. It is very chewed up now. Don't think I will maybe be able to cut it, but it has a whole bunch of holes. So this will be the last shots, I think. So let me do it like so. And then you can see the action again. I think we're getting low on CO2 gas. But it still shoots. And we're out of ammo. Well, my friends, I almost cut the can in half. So accuracy, at least from about 6.5–7 meters distance, seems to be quite okay. And power wise also, you can shoot holes in a tin can even with 0.2 gram BBs. and it also crack at the back, not just the front of the can. So yeah, I must say I am impressed, really impressed. So no BBs inside. I've shot well, at least 90 shots, if not 100, because I took some shots off camera too, just to see that it was working properly. So now it's more of a plopping sound, but yeah, very, very fun airsoft gun indeed. Just a little hiss, not much CO2 gas left. So 3 magazines, and you need to replace the CO2 canister. I will make more videos of this uber cool soft gun later. Nice piercing of the CO2 canister also. Yeah. What's not to like? I like it a lot, that's for sure. So if you like airgun replicas, even though this is an airsoft, it shoots with the power of an air pistol. So yeah, because of my shitty arthritic fingers and prosthetic joints, I have a problem of holding it up and shooting, but I can do like so. I can shoot it holding it like this with my normal trigger finger, but it's best for me to use the middle finger, traffic finger. So by the way, I think I fixed the dubbing issue on my videos. I think I deleted it, so I hope that is true. Let me know in the comments if it's right. Yes, very, very nice. Okay, hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more videos.